everyone, welcome back to a new video for Illa. So in this video, let's discuss about the rotating work shift. So rotating shifts in a company refers to a scheduling system where employees are periodically assigned to work different shifts on a rotating basis. So instead of consistently working the same shift, employees alternate between morning, afternoon and night shifts or between different time slots over a defined period of time. So, it may be helpful to maintain 24/7 operations in industries that require continuous coverage, such as healthcare, transportation, or customer support. So, let's see how we can manage that in Horilla. So, in a company, an admin or let's say an HR manager or a reporting manager of specific employees will be able to assign rotating shift to those employees. So, before assigning the rotating shifts, let's see the already configured rotating shifts in this company. So for that, we can go to the settings over here, and under the employees, we can view the rotating shift. So we can click on rotating shift, and we can see the two rotating shifts that are already configured. So that is a morning to night and night to morning. So to create a new rotating shift, we can click on create, and we have to add in a name and shift 1, shift 2, and if we have to add any additional shifts, we can click on add more shift. For the already configured shift, that is a morning to night shift, we can see that shift 1 is a morning shift and shift 2 is a night shift, and if any additional shifts are added for this, we can view it over here. And like that, in the night to morning, we have shift 1 as night shift and shift 2 as morning shift. So now let's assign a shift to an employee. So for that, let's go to the employee and go to rotating shift assign. We can also assign the rotating shift to employees by going to their individual employee profile. So from here, we can view all the rotating shift that are assigned for multiple employees. We can view their employee, the title, the based on the rotate, start date, current shift, next switch, next shift, etc. And to assign a new shift, we can click on assign over here, and we have to add in all these details. So in the employees field, we'll be able to add in multiple employees so that we can assign the rotating shift for all those employees at once. So here we have the filter option from where we'll be able to filter out a group of employees so that we can assign the rotating shift to all those employees together. So let's click on filter, and let's filter out all the employees who are with the job position salesman. So let's go to the work info, and let's select the job position as salesman. We have selected salesman, and we can filter. And we can see that all salesmen will be filtered out here. So if you want, we can select all the 11 user from here, or if we want to ignore anyone, we can just select it like this. So for now, let's select all the 11 users, and we can add. So all the employees will be added over here, and now we have to select the rotating shift. So these are the two shifts as we have seen already, that is morning to night and night to morning. So let's say morning to night, and we have to provide a start date over here. So we have given a start date, and then we have the based on field. So in the based on field, we can select from the three different options, that is the after, weekend and monthly. So if you have selected after, we have to choose a rotate after day. So here we can see that 5, or if you want to change this, we can change it like this, so that after 6 days the shift will rotate. So if the person is working in a morning shift, so after 6 days the shift will rotate to the night shift. And then we have the based on option weekend. So if we select weekend, we have to select a week of the day, that is every Fridays or every whatever we are giving. So on that day the shift will rotate. And then we have the monthly option, and we can select a day of the month from here. So for this, let's select weekend, and let's say Friday. So every Friday the shift will rotate for all these employees. So this is how we can assign a rotating shift to employees. So let's save this. So we can see that the rotating shift has been assigned to all those employees. So this is how we can create a rotating work shift. So hope it is clear, and thank you for watching.